Over here, which is called the open session menu, is where you can start your recording. So we recommend starting it as soon as you go in, even if that means there's some dead time at the start. And then obviously when you're finished, if, as quite a few of us do, you end up answering some of the chat questions after you've finished talking, keep the recording going. Because when the recording is finished, two things get recorded. One is you talking and you presenting, but the other is a transcript of the chat, which can be quite useful for students looking back on the session as well. So one of the things you might find is you orally answer some of the chat questions like I'm doing today, but afterwards you go through and actually type up answers to help students understand a bit better. When you've done all of that, stop the recording, and then everybody will get a full transcript of the chat as well as the recording.